At least 4 people have been killed and over dozens others have been injured after a powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake jolted Taiwan's capital of Taipei. The quake earlier prompted tsunami warnings in the self-ruled island, parts of southern Japan and the Philippines. However, Japan and the Philippines have now lifted the warnings. The epicenter of the quake is recorded in waters off the eastern coastline of Taiwan. As per Taiwan's weather administration, at least 25 aftershocks have been recorded. The quake hit at a depth of 15.5 kilometers, collapsing buildings in the Hualien city and trapping several people. Now, this is also the strongest quake to have hit the island in the last 25 years. The jolts have also knocked out power in over 80,000 households in Taiwan. Apart from this, the tremors have also caused landslides across Taiwan. Witness videos show several vehicles being damaged across after rocks rolled over following the earthquake. The roads have also been damaged with cracks spanning to several meters. As per Taipei's authorities, no damage has been reported in the city. The rail functions are back to running as per usual. However, delays are expected over the aggressive tremors. Japan has alerted evacuation advisory for the coastal areas of the Okinawa prefecture. On a scale of 1 to 7 Tokyo's authorities have slated the quake at an upper 6. The quake also felt in several regions in China. These include the Fujian province and the Shanghai region. Meanwhile, the Philippines also issued warnings in its coastal regions, urging residents to evacuate to higher grounds.
里面还有人吗？哎，那个不要摸那个电线，很危险！不要摸电线。
The India-Taipei Association has issued an emergency helpline number and an email ID in the wake of the quake. The helpline will help in assisting and guiding the Indian nationals under distress in Taiwan.
Yeah.